Hi, we're Mark and Darla from Remax Escarpment. We're here today at our newest listing at 6765 James Street in Lambeth.
Lambeth is a subdivision in London. It's in the southwest corner, lovely neighborhood, big lots. In fact, this lot is 60 by 139. This is a renovated bungalow that you really must see.
And Darla, what school is directly across the street?
Lambeth Public School.
Your kids will love going there.
Thank you for visiting us today at 6765 James Street in Lambeth.
If you'd like to book an appointment to view this property, or if you have questions about buying or selling your home, please call us. My name is Mark. I can be reached at 905-512-1846.
And I'm Darla. I can be reached at 289-888-1987.